How to transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal. So in order to transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal, all you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, you'll have to open up your PayPal account so that you can copy the wallet address. So once you're logged into your PayPal account, this is how it's going to look like. So here you should be able to see Bitcoin or as your current balance. If you're unable to find it, then all you have to do is scroll down and then you'll be able to find your Coinbase wallet. All you have to do is just tap on it, and then you have to select the Bitcoin that you're receiving, and then you'll have to select the Bitcoin that you're receiving. Once you've copied the following information, exit out of your PayPal and then open up your Coinbase. And here, once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Go to my asset, which is located right at the bottom, and from here you need to tap the asset that you wish to send. So select Bitcoin. Let's go with the Bitcoin that's available on PayPal, and then select the Bitcoin, and here you need to go ahead and select send. So once you do that, what you'll have to do is you need to tap the sell button located right over here. So after that, you'll need to tap the sell button. Once you do that, on the other interface, you have to enter in the wallet address or the information where you are actually sending. So paste in the wallet address or the wallet address that you've recently copied. In next page, it's going to ask you to enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to transfer. So type in the amount and make sure to select USD. And after you've done that, confirm all of the information that you've provided, and lastly there will be a confirmation once again, so confirm it all. And as soon as you've done that, you've successfully transferred money from Coinbase to PayPal. So in that way, you can transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.